you posty video no comment aba no be your questions are yenchire mu omope
Akoma FM
Chief a friend of engineer Hamidu Abdallah on ADC the Bosomtwe district. Chief, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na pombo ko de
body na dom nyamya bibia woko
ya da nyankopon ase yenso ye ho ye I think Zenra you share di nkomo kakra but anopai na wo se enyawo na nkomo ayedi no enra de e ba behu ye no we de enye de ya ko record ya bebo obi akase ye ba bi afri ba bi ya twa bi afri ba bi na ye de bi akose ba bi na in fact o confirm my say adwuma enra manfo on social media enra your videos up obi o ha wo se o omu twam omu hu so omu ho ba do omu nyini ye hu bi pen omu nyini we ya ye omu de omu abene nam so na Kofi Job asesa ne niam afri so sa akọ ebi asi pen ti we de enya de akopem se omu behu se ye hwie de enya de so mbagi adi in fact omu dika because ye hu bi other areas near there but e de na ma de ye hu ye be hu no nra wo ho ene de ekoso wo ho na different from there esi ba bie
Odaro myself, Medawa Sianopay, I'm for TCS. I'm Sianopay, dear. Ghana, Santamana, BBA, Jemé, Anopa, which you go. Before the cases, so I'm in just from the Ama with T4. Ghana Mampany, Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Rose Minister, and the Astimania, the Shanti Minister, so Dr. Frank Mokohini. Say, Odaro, yebo bompa yifo idi na yebeda o masi si yeba ani you free ma sebi na mene wo eni ni yi em se eni ni ani media sebi yebeto ye ya also do any di eche no sebi you wasted your precious time or the ojuma atoho the bia no pa obohu de ro what the effects of the bad road that Bosomtwe. How are you coming? No, the be our fat also advocate for. The next answer and I say and I say atia ekosui. So be once there ba na you free ma enye me there addition Bosomtwe na nemu over the 174,000 people on here say that was it. For you pa modi e de aboye amasamre akodu. So be nyon kwa na so emna me posting bi no nya it's a lie. I was there yesterday, 2 days ago, nothing is going on. Sebi Ubiadika over 8 years now. The struggle about some people for Akoma. Yeah, na Sebi Ubibia Bekase a Quino and Yadia Bason Sebi Obodika. But me I pay me for the cases na Majina Ganaman Penya Nemo Ashe was some Piadishe Buse. But schedule idea between any media or the aroma BPR and Sisa said he didn't share was a war hospital no quite no sa near share boss was some 3 quines no said yeah and no Kofi Job here now all your dressing no and to be obeya could do jachi acha within the week and that days no na the sub base team no as I see at 040 no eguso. Yeah, if any dust no, quite dust, then go so all acha by week time na tima asphalt no so free say we abeka no ho a me sha de share Bosomtwe say affiliate yeah man be he say de ye hu ne ba ko ni bi no I will ye and the asphalt to so anesa e de akosi Kuntenase eko na chi
bacho oka eko na chi ya kaka sisi Kuntenase eko na chi ni ye hefa ekwa akosi hefa na o se kwan no ka ye kosi and
yes the original project no na first phase no kosi Kuntenase and I literally Kuntenase to abono ka Kofi Job ho nti o ye to abono aye nyame ni jash ho no nti obodi ka ye first lane no a odi ka the first subject legos no o ye no sa we are no ba beti ye nyina ye free ba ko so ba de wa ye wi no so no atiesi de o right no aso so ko Kuntenase all right no so no o ye no so sa kwakosi nyame ni dash
I see. 1 month. Comment about in 1 month. Any possible. Say omo kasa omo plan omo di amamo no 1 month. We engineer there, but I mean 1 month. I want for select out to say 1 month. Say
yes.
In a month, you this project.
Say comment I'm say former the mine no work the lane and amujina so no.
Okay.
And I know work ho.
Okay.
Okay. The entire project no
the entire project. Okay.
Yes, no on the street Krumu atonsu be sia ko Kuntenase on your left no. And me adi ga sha because and the adi get gusa base nti the base ni beto so near the asphalt na den. Atoso eno no ho asem na no work say 1 month there. Was say na omadru maybe asphalt no den. Which is very, very true. Sabi umetimi aye, and be intimate without any. Per the schedule, 1 month is possible.
Until after 1 month, and then they move to the other side.
They move to the other side.
Okay. Until Nina no, you're canning in Abumwa. How many months and no the entire project?
Yes, so okay, you can cast a schedule, so be your contractor, and so your juma, it will be a fair schedule of work. And be a nearby baby or channel baby, okay, canning in a boom, and never mind the duration of the project. Per dear formers and catch them in a day, or the 1 month to Bekoha. I have a juma of home because I feel caps maybe inner caps, you buy your home juma because we call the right side now, or my caps be drains ni bo ho a say friend gates no be ho a bebre na ebubu e wo the right side no o ma anya ho djuma nti ho ne be di me kakra e ho de be quote be 3 to 4 months after no wetima ye ho nyina wi abegu sub base no abegu nti ye hwe o ma say by the close of the year they also mo wi the two side no e de amaye o ye project so a ye fe be force maja they are no be over ni hu they be to do the be na so ato be 2 days ko ana say bo nyimi nya djuma okay, can you now boma no way some more up to the end and said the bear meeting my jumano at the Amadis Bosomtwe.
Okay. And say you be asphalt ankasa our corner so baby or starting the 1 month. It's at least you bet me you do that stretch now for that part now for maybe 4-5 months. Then we are now you switch it to the other side. Now you can say kwani you know you kama. I see. Enti we are where sika sem na na contractors. Omuja project ho. Contractor no be kan bebre. Afro be wie na say project no ko ka gbusa na say na ye hwe sika nim ti na kan sa. Sika na ma enti ye ne we de nyi asem o ya ban. But o san komo no ya we say mpedifo ni Kofi Joe be disika sem nkomo nyina wie.
Yes, the road police normally is awarded by the road minister. And it doesn't come to the assembly. But obviously, politicians in the media we might be privileged 1 or 2 information. The assembly, the first one, the woman is being cleared. Yaman assurance of the federal Western over there. And for now, from the ministers and from that original minister and Akoma like I said, for now the any problem. Arrest in ya class said you heard him say Kofi with my juma at the I could reach the Amadi Bosomtwe.
And after that no abono de no me a concern because I consistent comment ebemu. E kan de oye hu anaso obewie we na ko Kuntenase de na ko ansana e bia later wasaba be ya na e kan de oye hu throughout to abono
your project ni dia abono ni nyina ka Kuntenase na e one project ono ana ye ni nyina nti ni nyina bom akwa oye e de eko but for now the loading guy the saka e ni loading guy this big service up to Kuntenase no and oye but we are obey kept na over side not the Kuntenase giving free Kuntenase ko no e de aka ho agu service na the place ni na account one project so the oye ni na atwemu e de akọ.
And when me busa this question, it's still very relevant and I pay say, what does it mean at the assembly? Any man for a say project we abandon by Kofi Jobu free so ye sika nim sika beba sika ma na finally waba so a ye adwuma no se adwuma ni wi a I mean de na ye hwe ni mu de na de ba beka assembly no mu dwumadi ho manfo e wo ho ani sa ne ma no sa nkomo no se na sitie
sir meda wase obi bia no pay otia me and pay na sebi otafa Bosomtwe kwan so. The first one I'm maybe can ho asem your health risk factor. Sebi na anopa ewi enyumere hwefutu a eba amafo demo wa obefoka ibi wura ohinimu dodo na sebi omoko hospital based on this health risk. Nim se ene ebe anya hwe kura ma Bosomtwe die onim se wapo mu die sebi ehun be den ebetumpon ade ama me kan masaka business wise as a district na as a free Abidjan kwanta hoko Kuntenase no colleague no it's like they have been cut off from the rest of the world sebi you mention it no any Kuntenase na so bo 10 11 bo 12 year 12 cramp no say ya benya camp free aputoja akọ Kuntenase no senior dropping na you be ho. And I believe that lives are going to be restored. Businesses are going to be restored. Obi no business be free sam could be no. Now automatically I say or operate halfway because sebi oya kra na onya customers ebeba. Access our the back room kra no solve a problem. And then I believe say it's a business yin na no shase aside then a revival. Omo na sebi omo tisi e dan akese e wo Bosomtwe efi Abidjan kwanta ekono. Dodo na ja no na omo hwe ni se kwan no be de beba benim se nti bia no omo nyina be sa ja ba ni kesi pa wo mu ni bia be dia dance the largest natural lake within the West Africa zone is in Bosomtwe. The biggest tourist site obi bia e ba be in. But over the years, over 4-5 years now, numbers e do pa doma na e ba be ji wo mani no sa di pa domi na suti bebre. But me say a kwan ba bedemu no sa numbers do ni na be san den aba don mu yiba no e de ejadie na de ba Bosomtwe se ma me no moto eton sebi be mo yumadi na den akoso which is also going to generate revenue for the assembly. The assembly so nya bidia ye input juma o se ye de anyway mention mo sa kwan ya no ini ya no mo papa no mpeso mutu kwan e concrete Danka is one of the shortest route sebi be tuma faso e de akọ. Danka do na kwan ne say do na sa akọfa ejoso back. But then ni say kwan ni betoma mu bia we concrete bia no pe the shortest route be to farm something na akọkọpie enkran ne important.
Right. Chief Mayana was here no pen na information. Bibia ni a ye beba. Odaro ma aseda so nkoma ni otiefo. Yeah, that's it pa. So for the DC the ma Bosomtwe and engineer Hamidu Abdallah and yene no edi nkomo nti that is enchiremu a ewo ho eno no